This is the right place. Here we go.
Who's there? Oh, what's your name?
Lord Bowser. Duh.
Do you hate the Mario Bros?
Yes. Can I come in?
Sure, let me shut the door very nice. Hello. So, take a seat. I'll sit by here, you sit on the top seat. So, what have you been doing?
I'm trying to feed the Mario Bros. Can you help?
You'll come for my help, hasn't you?
I was just going to say that, but yes.
I'll tap on those minions of yours. In Minion Academy.
Oh, thank you. I could just hug you right now.
Let's hug later. No, let's just meet your minions, shall we? 5 minutes later.
5 minutes later. We're here.
Oh, hello.
Everyone, meet Kamek.
Oh, just call me Magic Koopa or Kamek. Hello, I'm Magic Koopa, obviously. So I'm trying to toughen you all up to defeat the Mario Bros. Ah!
Is that right? Yeah, woohoo! You're amazing.
Oh, fine. Yeah, yes. Well, yes, I am. Now, let the workout contest commence. What you do? Right, I do have a dummy of the Mario Bros. Let me just find it. Ah!
Whoa!
La 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 la. Ah, here it is. So, he's ugly. He looks ugly. Well, of course he is. Of course he is. Now, who's first? Me. Over here. I'm Dino Piranha.
Okay, well, next time, Pirana. Ooh.
Oh, wow. Amazing. Please. Next. What's your name?
I'm Spiny. Please meet you. I'm Spiny. Please meet you.
Well done. I'm Kamek. Please meet you.
Hello. You're next.
Hiya. Well done, Spiny. Go over there, please. Your name is Spike. Spiky.
Oh, right. And you got it.
Sat on him. Well done. If your name's Bob, Mom. Okay, do stuff. Bum. Well done, Batman. Yep. You. Okay. Better.
Well, yeah, I'm, like, they call me Koopa Troopa Turtle. Koopa Turtle, do your work. Boom. I'm impressed. Well done.
Okay, Pirranah, you're next. I never do. Eat it. Delicious. Better. Must be parry true. Go with that. And do stuff. Well done. Go with that, please. Better. Yes, you must be Koopa Troopa. Do stuff. Better. Yes, you can do the same. Well done, very impressive. Who's next? Yep. I'm named Boomerang Blue. It's got Boomerang. Do stuff. I don't know.
Okay. Well done, dry Buzz. Very good.
Buzzer Jr., you're next. My name's Buzzer Jr. I'll go and feed the Mario Bros.
Oh,
Impressive. Hiya. Oh,
Very impressive.
Very impressive. I know names. Give it, Goomba. My name's Goomba. I'm doing my work. Hey.
Your name is? Hello, Change Up.
Change up me. Two. Well done. Well done. Go then. Hammer. Shut up. My hammer name's Hammerbrush. I hate it. Is that everyone?
That's everyone.
Well done, everybody. Suppose we're gonna put that one in the next episode. Thank you.